Hello, Mrs. Denning here again with Cove and Gracie, and we thought we'd get started on another word ring. So go ahead and say that first word. Vacant. The lot was vacant. It was totally empty. Invention. Thomas Edison had a really cool invention in the light bulb. Gadget. The can opener in my kitchen is a gadget I use a lot. Halt. The policeman asked us to halt or stop our car because there was trouble up ahead. Tanks. The tanks at the aquarium were huge and filled with beautiful tropical fish. Section. That section of the trail is filled with lots of tiny rocks. Slopes. The slopes of the distant mountains were covered with snow. Avalanches. Avalanches happen when large sections of snow tumble down the mountain. Altitude. The altitude that the plane flew at was 35,000 feet above sea level. Increases. Practicing your vocabulary words increases your chances of remembering them. Succeed. If you work hard, it will help you succeed in life. Equipment. In football, the men use a lot of equipment to stay safe. Well, look who jumped up in my lap right at the end of our word ring. So, thank you for going through your word ring so quickly with me. This is Mrs. Denning, Rue, and our friend Cove, signing off and saying, we hope you have a wonderful day. Bye now.